Yeah, if you want, we can take one more last.
So nice, Guruji. Thank you so much. So we have one more person ready, Guruji, and I'm going to invite Josie. Her birth date is April 8th, 1970.
1970. Okay, so her birth number is 8 and year number is also 8 and destiny number is number 2. Who is this? Hi, Josie.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm well.
Okay. There is black color water around your house.
Oh, it could be. I just moved into a new apartment.
So at walking distance, there will be a black water, maybe a, a sea which is black or a nala, gutter, something black.
No, no, there's no lakes or ponds or anything around here.
No black water.
Mm-mm.
Are you sure?
Yeah, there's a playground in the back.
There is black water getting accumulated.
Hmm.
The soil is black of the playground.
It has it's dirt and then it has wood chips in it.
Wood chipped in it. Okay. Check for black water. Don't stay at a place where there is black water around you.
Oh,
And if there is, then there will be a remedy for that. Okay. So tell me, what
black.
is your question today?
My question today is, will I ever get unstuck, get successful?
See, your remedy is from another art of divination or healing called Swaroday Oracle. So I'm giving you that. You have been breathing a lot from your mouth and not from your nose. Even while you are sleeping, have you noticed that?
No.
No? Okay. So what was your question? Can you repeat?
My question is, I've have gone through some financial devastation lately, and I've had to move into this apartment that's like low income. And I've been trying to come up out of my financial rut, and it seems like nothing's working.
So first thing important is breathe from your nose. Keep your mouth closed as much as possible. First thing. Second is an exercise that you need to do for 21 days. For 21 consecutive days, you have to give something to everyone whom you meet. Even if you're crossing someone and if you don't know that, and if you make eye contacts with that person, you will give that person something. Maybe a blessing in your mind, maybe a smile, maybe a compliment. I like your dress, I like your hair.
Mm.
For 21 days, get into this practice of just giving. Giving is not only money or materialistic things. Pray for them in your mind. If you don't wish to speak to them, just pray for them in your mind that let this person be blessed, let the work of this person be done, let him find success and happiness in whatever he or she is going to do.
Okay.
And in this 21 days, you will start seeing positive results. Was there a black water around the place where you were living before?
No. Could the black water represent something else like emotions?
Maybe. there is some strong connection of yours with black water. And it can't go, wrong. I
It
cannot
can't
go
go?
wrong with that.
You say the black water can't leave?
No. I'm saying that I can't be wrong in this prediction, in this intuition of mine. There's some strong connection with black water. Is someone whom you know into legal trouble?
No, no, not that I know of.
Because
I've
in
been
India, some legal proceedings are also known as Kala Pani, black water. Anyways, you also think. See you in the course.
Thank you.
And remember the 21-day exercise and start breathing from your nose. Close your mouth.
Breathe from my nose and give something to everyone I meet or see for 21
days.
Okay. Thank you so very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Jayama. So I think today it's enough for everyone.
Absolutely, Guruji. You were so generous with your knowledge and with your remedies and your demos. Thanks a lot, Guruji, on behalf of the team and everybody who was there today. We can't wait again to meet you tomorrow, Guruji.
Sure. We'll see you all tomorrow, same time. And we will make sure that we cover maximum people tomorrow, because I don't think tomorrow we will need to repeat what is numerology, what is Vidya numerology tomorrow. So tomorrow we will directly take the offers, or we will directly take people, and we will cover maximum people as possible. Okay.
Thanks. So nice of you, Guruji, of assuring us of that. Thank you so much, and we look forward. Thank you, Guruji.
Thank you. Hari Om Tat Sat.
Hari Om Tat Sat. Thank you.